my channel. Today I thought I would give you guys a house tour. I live in a 2-bedroom apartment, so it's pretty small, so don't be thinking this video is going to go on forever, but I thought I would show you around where I live and you can get to know me a little bit better. Okay, so as you walk into my house, this is where I hang my handbag and drop some of my stuff at the front door. Moving through to the left, you will enter my bedroom. This is where I spend my nights reading, watching YouTube, and falling asleep, and often ending up with 2 little monkeys in bed with me during the night. Near the front door, the laundry is in this cupboard here on the right, but it is so small, it's literally just a washing machine and a dryer, so there is nothing exciting in there. And this is where I get ready in the mornings. In these 2 cupboards here, I have all of my hair stuff, so there is literally so much stuff. Hair dryers, straighteners, developers, colors, bleachers, you name it, it's in that cupboard. This one here is my makeup cupboard, which I could probably do a video on organizing because it's not super well organized at the moment. Okay, so if you haven't guessed by looking at my bookshelves, I am a complete neat freak and I like to have a place for everything in my house. Unfortunately, the wardrobe in this house is not very big. In fact, I actually use half of the boys' wardrobe for my clothes as well because the wardrobe is pretty small. But I didn't have enough room to store my shoes, so I decided to store them in the bookshelf. And this is where they live. My office space. I found real inspiration using this space. I keep my diary here, my planner is everything, and as you can see I also have a monthly planner behind me. That way I know exactly when things are happening and I won't miss anything because unless it's written down, my memory is like a sieve. This plant was given to me by my beautiful friend Elisa, and it's a self-care reflection plant, and she hopes that it will remind me to give myself water, sun and love as well. This is my vision board. I've been working on this for a few weeks. As you can see, there's still some empty spots. Maybe I can do a video on how to compile a vision board, but I've been having a lot of fun putting it together, and it definitely helps me break those goals down and slowly achieve them. Through here is my little kitchen. This is my living room, and here's Tuxie, always relaxing. Don't have a bath at this house. I think you don't realize how much you like having a bath until you don't have the opportunity to have one. So I am definitely missing a bathtub. But come through and I'll show you the boys' room. So this is where my babies sleep. Their little matching beds, and of course Batman on the sheets. And they have quite a good book collection because we love to read. just need a little bit of love, but I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do out there yet. So if you have any suggestions, please comment below. Come with me. So as you can see, I live right above the Woolworths at my complex, which is actually super convenient. At first, I wasn't sure about living here because my balcony obviously looks straight into the car park, but the convenience of being right above the supermarket is so good. That's it for today, guys. This is my humble abode. I love living here. It is like a little bachelorette pad for me. So I hope you loved my house as much as I do. And if you have any suggestions for how to renovate my balcony or what video you'd like to see next, make sure you comment below. Let me know what's your favorite room in the house. Not my house, in your house. Because my favorite room is probably my study area. I love being there. I feel super inspired and creative when I'm there, and that's where I get to create content for you guys. I will see you next week with another video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!